Hey John, this is for you. Um, what this is really is sort of a recap on all of our notes. Um, we've actually exchanged notes for a long time, but we didn't start exchanging notes until we shared a locker. Uh, John's locker combo 44-0, doesn't matter. Lock it when you grab your stuff. That was one of the best things we ever did. I, I'm not gonna make it too sentimental. I ain't got time for that. Okay. First time I ever got stuffed in one of my, I think it was a math book. Hi Kaylee, what's up? Hope you aren't being eaten by a giant crab or something of that nature. Smiley face. Next one had the pretty angel wings and stuff. Hi Kaylee. Don't know if you got my message last night, but I just want to let you know that people care and you shouldn't feel sad or have anxiety. I'm just repeating myself now, but still. Quote, quote, don't be afraid because I will give you the greatest weapon of all. I know you're always grumpy at me. Parentheses, I know that's how you show friendship, and you usually have a good reason to be. Quote, friends are my power. Um, from here on out, these were more like serious notes, but you didn't have like the date on all of them. And I tried to piece them together as best as possible, but this is after you joined the chat. 11-13-13 to Kari McNugget. The McNuggets are a proud family. Hey Kaylee, I'm kinda copying what you did, so please don't hate. But anyways, I'm in Spanglish right now, and I'm bullshitting my way through our homework. I still haven't written Kylie that note because it's hard to write notes in the mornings. But still today is looking up already. I think I just got worried too easily. And you know how you saw us. I want to do that more often. Just hanging out and shooting the breeze. I don't know what you meant by that first time. Got some free time in Spanish. Man, this class is forever. I agree. It is hard to think of things to say, but I'll make do. You know what would be really cool? If we all go to Australia. That's what I'd do if I came into a lot of money. What would you do? Shit. I'm totally going to fail my anatomy bones test. I'll tell you how I think I did in a few lines. Man, this is going to suck. At least we have a local sub. To fill up some more space, I'll tell you about how this morning I wouldn't go near the abusive girl, and when she pointed at me with a death look, she's with Teresa, I, mum- I mumbled to myself, I guess loud enough for them to hear, you stay the fuck away from me. And they were all offended, and she was shocked. She was like shocked and tried to push me, but I just sidestepped her and kept walking. Did better than I thought. Feeling really good now. Like a big stress disappeared. I don't know how to make your day, and I can't draw, but I'll try anyways. And you're dead. On the back it says, you don't like the dark, so I made you something to brighten you up. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, you're so cute. This is my attempt at drawing. Oh my god, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Okay. I'm sorry I'm really choppy and I'm making your notes less awesome. Oh, it's the one where you put the Hitler person. Oh, I don't know how to refold it. But you're really smart. I'm gonna put this in here. Do you remember that? Oh, fuck. Okay. 11, 14, 13. Kaylee. Hi, I want to tell you that I gave her the note, but I was really awkward about it. Hey, I wrote this for you. I'm into 20 minutes of third period and my knees are still shaking. Not all of it is from the note. Only about 20% actually. 40% is my midterm where I have a D minus in one of my best classes, so I think it must be a mistake, unless I totally failed my project, but I don't think so. How are you doing in school? You need to get good grades to get a good job and follow your dream. That's what I want to do with my life. Get a good job to give my kids more than what I have. Not to spoil them per se, just to let them know that they don't have to worry about it. To not ask to go to the movies or any fun place with friends or any fun places with their friends. Okay. Sorry if I've got focused too much on myself. I tend to do that when I write. It just feels like you're here listening to all I have to say. It makes me calmer, almost therapeutic. I wrote all of this in the downtime of third period, but maybe I'll add more later. Still need to think of a way to make your day. Maybe another doodle, a joke, a poem? I just don't know. This one can have a date. Dear Kay, at Spanglish right now. Had to do 2 tests in a row, and man, I'm tired. I saw you in the hallway and you said, "Aw," and Kylie was all smiley, and I was like, "Hey, look, a wild Kaylee." A wild Kaylee. I felt that's how you would have said it though. I think I should introduce you to her. Y'all can Google about some Homestuck and Black Butler and Soul Eater and Digimon. I wonder what would happen if she went on the chat room. I feel like it would get really fun or really angry really fast. I'm just kind of spouting my thoughts here, so I apologize for my even worse pencilmanship. Is that even a word? Penmanship. Than usual. I kind of want to draw something, but I don't know what. I drew a kitty cat. Thanks for Thanks for letting the rest of Spanish fly by. I love writing you stuff. Jeremy, doing good. Actually, you put a T then. You only put a T. This one have a date. Kari McNugget. The plan. Kari McNugget. So, I have a plan to make your life easier with the chat. All you need to tell them is that besides... Computer, fuck you. Besides being sick, my parents checked my grades and saw that I had a D minus in English. They grounded me from Chatsy as punishment for until I bring my grade up. What? Wait. For till college. Because my low grade was a mistake and a new project grade is about to be put in, I'll be gone for at least a week more. And because of all this is real, you don't have to lie. And since I gave you this note, you can tell them that's how you know. List of facts. I have a D minus. It will be fixed soon. I am grounded from Chatsey. Self-grounded. Yeah, we know. Um, you won't have to lie anymore. So you should have a clean conscience. You're awesome. Signed, Twin. Okay. Um, Takari. Nugget. Hey, Twin. Guess what? I found where to buy Faygo. The Schnucks, or however you spell it, at Barnes & Noble, and the Hucks by the school. I think the manager of Faygo sent me an email that said Hucks had it. I asked Kylie to go to the musical, and we're going on Friday. We didn't turn in the math homework, so I guess today is my lucky day. Too bad I can't say the same for Kylie. It's her birthday, but her day has sucked so far. I don't know if I should attempt to kiss her or not at the musical. But enough about me. How's your day? Did you even draw that picture? Did you refill your water bottle? All these questions. I have a couple of books you could read to pass the time. One is a love story called Bel Canto. It's about an opera house that gets taken over by terrorists. Very interesting. I have a commission for you. Draw me with a water bottle about to pour it on your head. Till next time, Jeremy McNugget.